your favorite on the show? No, non-political answer.
See, there are two kinds of people. Favorite are those who can answer very well, who really reply back, who are powerful people, and I think public has an interest in them. And my 32 years, the finest guest on my show was Narendra Modi in 2014. Because there was a lot of curiosity about him and he answered. और मैं आपको बताऊं, जिस दिन उनका शो रिकॉर्ड होना था, उससे कई दिन पहले मैं कोशिश कर रहा था, तो उन्होंने कहा कि मैं दिन भर कैंपेन करता हूं, मैं रात को आ सकता हूं. तो ही अराइव्ड अराउंड 9:30 इन द इवनिंग. अब जब वो आए तो उनका गला बंद था. He said, I did not count this. Every day in the evening after I have addressed 5-6 public meetings, my throat gives away. And he said, I didn't realize this, but no way I can speak. So we waited. Ritu told him, आपको मैं काली मिर्च का पानी देता हूँ, गर्म पानी कुछ दूँ. तो he said, रितु जी मैं रोज सारी चीजें ट्राई करता हूँ, बट गले की अपनी सीमाएं हैं, limitations. So finally, I told him, I said, there is an audience waiting and they have come from all over the country. So what I suggested, let's go down in the studio. We'll put a microphone in this voice, whatever you can speak, just say 2-3 sentences. They say, we'll come and record some other day. Now we went inside the studio. There were 500-600 people. And they started shouting, Modi, Modi, from this, where this expression for the first time came out. He was smiling. One old lady sitting in front, he told him, Beta, meri umar tujhe lag jaye. One girl standing in the corner, she got up, she said, Modi, I love you. So he was laughing. I told him, Modi ji, there's so much of love for you, and I get messages on my phone. Rahul khaye chocolate bar, ab ki baar Modi sarkar. So he laughed. I said, then Sonia ji ne kaha, ab to bolo hai Sardar, Manmohan bole, ab ki baar Modi sarkar. So I was joking, he was laughing, then he sat down, and suddenly he told public that ye main to nahi kar raha hu, ye naare to aap likh rahe hain, and it was a normal voice. And we started from there, 1.5 hours non-stop we recorded. And it was one of the best shows I ever did. And after the show was recorded, he was going back to Ahmedabad because he had parking for his plane only in Ahmedabad. So, and I asked him, I said, ये कैसे हुआ? तो he said, देखिए रजत जी, भगवान की कुछ कृपा आप पर है, कुछ मुझ पर है. That's how we could do this show. And when this show was telecast, 84% people who watch TV were watching Aapki Adalat with Modi.
Watch that whole thing from starting to the end, his entry, everything. But you think it had a big role to play to humanize what Prime Minister Modi is?
Actually, people got to know the other side of Prime Minister Modi. They had only known him as a chief minister. And because he was a prime minister candidate, people were curious to know about him, his life, what he has done. And that day he answered all possible questions. मुझे याद है मैंने उस इंटरव्यू में उनसे पूछ लिया कि आजम खान कहते हैं आप कुत्ते के पिल्ले के बड़े भाई हैं. Nobody would dare ask a question to him like that, but he said कि आप उनको कहिए कि कुत्ते से ज्यादा वफादार कोई दूसरा नहीं होता. I also asked him, क्या आपके राज में मुसलमानों को डर के रहना पड़ेगा? He said, मेरे राज में सबको वही अधिकार होंगे जो मुझे होंगे. जहां तक आपने मुस्लिम्स की बात की है, मैं चाहता हूं उनके एक हाथ में कुरान हो, दूसरे में कंप्यूटर. And he did it.